Branches of biology: study of animals; zoology, study of plants; botany, study of fossils; planetology, study of parasites; parasitology, study of immune system; immunology, study of insects; entomology, study of genes; genetics, study of microbes; microbiology, study of internal structure; anatomy, study of structure; morphology, study of tissue; histology, study of cell; cytology, study of virus; virology, study of fungi; mycology, study of algae; phycology, study of mammals; mammalogy, study of bacteria; bacteriology, study of drugs; pharmacology, study of water; limnology, study of amphibians; herpetology, study of snakes; ophiology. This is